Wild Bill 20's in 9 days from now. So we got to start getting sleds ready.
I do.
All right, so we got to get some sleds ready for the Wild Bill 20. This is that old Colt one lung racer. We've done videos on it. I got it out. I tried to ride it around the yard a bit right before the snow went away, and the brakes are stuck. Bad, like smoking. Thankfully from the brake pads, not from the belt, but no good. The skedaddler, the last time it ran was when Rednecks and Dirty Hands were here. And if you remember from that video, flashback. Oh, super bog off the line. Good learning for me for grass drags, though. Oh. And it's dead. Yeah, it left Pete stranded, and nobody's even pulled the cable yet. We're assuming it's a faulted spark plug, but we're going to check. And then there's the slow jet. We got to find it. It's over in storage, buried in a bunch of sleds.
I was looking at Tommy.
Yeah, we got to get the slow jet out.
No, I think Detail is going to be riding the slow jet. That was the whole idea back 2 years ago when
it was.
We'll see what happens.
It was. So Wild Bill, depending on conditions, could be one of two ways. It could be a woods race. If it's a woods race, we're running all three of those sleds. Or it could be a pond race because there's no snow in the woods. And if it's a pond race, this is the only one with studs, and I think I'm going to ride it. So there we go. But let's get after it. This is priority since this one's running either way. And then we'll get after the other two.
All right, stay tuned.
Yeah, what's wrong? Dennis, stand up for a second.
Yeah, what's the story?
Dennis is sitting on my parts. All right, so this has got a stuck brake, and then the kill switch, the little lever pieces broke off, and I kind of like to use the kill switch. So I got this one from the boneyard, and we'll make sure this one's good and probably swap it out. Skedaddler, hopefully it's a spark plug, maybe a carb rebuild. Maybe we're going to have to clean the carbs.
Oh, clean the carbs.
Carb. All right, snow jet, hopefully pull the rope and it starts. All right, we're going to get after it. All right, so Tommy can't stand how dirty the skedaddler is. I would have probably just brought it there and ran it that way, but, you know, we'll let him clean it up. All right, over here, Colt brakes are different than on a TX or later. So there's this cover, this aluminum cover right here, and the brake is in it. And it's got like O-rings and stuff. It tends to be a little corrosion prone. There's a shaft that actually sticks through the cover and springs on the outside. And I guess what I'm going to do that you can't really see is I'm going to spray some WD down in there. And then I got the set screw and I'll run it in to push the piston back. And we'll do that a few times. If we get lucky, that'll free up the brakes because, they're free right now. Well, what the hell? Did they free themselves up? Well, we're going to lube it up anyways because...
Lube always makes
Here,
it better.
Dennis, squeeze this. Just convince me that it's... Okay, let go. Well, the stupid things freed themselves somehow. I guess sitting's good, or maybe it was the heat, but the brakes are working. We're just going to lube it up. Yay us. All right, we're doing like indie pit crew stuff. Dennis is getting the kill switch off. I made a custom end for my WD can that I can sneak in there into the place that needs some lube and just blindly spray and pray. And then we'll pump the brake a bunch. Why was that locked up? That ain't locked up now. Nothing's locked up.
It sounded like it was leaking up in the master though.
No, that's just what they sound like.
I've never heard them squish like that.
Oh, yeah.
No, this tether just wiggled and it wasn't. The tether was loose on it. It just like fell off. Oh, you can save that.
That's all it was?
I don't know. I haven't pulled the rope yet, but
All right.
touched it and the tether fell off.
Well, there we go.
That makes sense why I died.
We probably need a squirt bottle then, don't
Oh,
we?
no, I want to see if it has spark right now, and we'll go from there.
Oh, I'm sure it's got
We'll
spark.
save
It's a
all
J-Lo. That's the one thing that doesn't go bad
Oh,
on them.
God. Giant
Did you
spark.
hurt yourself?
Giant spark.
So there you go, Pete. If you're watching, the tether fell off on you, or maybe Pete pulled the tether because he didn't want to ride it any further.
Well, I can't blame him. It didn't dangle.
No, well, it does dangle. That thing dangles
Not
quite
in the middle
well.
of summer.
Well, yeah, I could have tuned it. All right. Well, it seems like we're almost done with these three. Two. We got a third.
Find the slow jet still.
Yeah. We'll be back. We'll be back. We'll be running these probably in a couple days in the dirt, but yeah, got to test them.
What do you got going on here?
Well, Tommy says it should run, so I got a squirt bottle, and we'll give her a big drink and a pull.
Ugh.
All right, so apparently it's been sitting all winter because the tether got pulled and nobody even looked at it. It
It was a long day.
was a long day.
Nobody pulls the tether.
No, I don't think Pete pulled it. I think it just came out. These type of tethers are notorious for that. So there we go. This one's ready to race.
Take it on a lap. Go, Tommy.
Go take it on a lap. I'll take it on a lap.
Check the gas
You got your crazy dogs out there.
If there's any gas in it.
Yeah, you, Farley.
I think there's gas. I filled it up for rednecks and dirty hands.
Oh, did you? Oh, I did not know that.
I didn't fill it, but there should be a little bit. Oh yeah, there's at least a gallon in there.
You guys in your gallon.
All right, I guess we'll drag it back out and.
Where's Vern and Kathy's?
That is what's now the squirrel cage in Willow River.
Okay, because I thought I knew all the bars.
Yeah, our friend Mitch, he made those stickers up. Mitchell Fruth.
Farley! Well, that looked good.
I don't think it was warmed up yet.
She dangled.
Yeah, a little bit. Well, there is an area with no ski tracks.
Is it the tether?
It's the
Oh,
tether.
that tether's
It just won't stay.
it's bent out.
It's crap. This
Yeah.
rubber's rotten. I got to get a new one. I bet I have one on the wall.
That's what I said. That.
All right, are we ready?
We're ready again. Farley, get in the shed.
Grab
Farley,
the tether
right,
out
go.
the Polaris, and I'm not going to wear it because that'll probably make that one pull out.
No.
Oh, wants a little squirt, as it often does.
Hey, get down. You crazy.
I don't think this tether works at all. Now we don't have a tether.
Farley. Good.
All right, the tether's been swapped. I got my fancy new bracket. This is Snowjet blue paint on
Fancy.
here because this is scrap metal from the Snowjet. Let's give it a check. Oh, that'll pass tech. If it works twice, it works.
Ready, Farley?
Yank the tether. Tether works. All right.
Hey!
Farley.
Go down.
Farley loves snowmobiles. All right. Kill switch. All right. Success. This has been pretty light getting stuff ready to race. Let's run the track.
See if these brakes work.
Yeah, let's run it and see if track. It isn't stuck. Now let go and rev it up. Not even a little. All right. So the stuck brakes healed themselves.
Isn't this supposed to open?
If we revved it,
If we rev it up, it'll open.
That belt
That's what
looked
it
a little
needs to
wonky.
do. Yeah. It needs to drop down about a 1/4 inch.
Yeah, it's fine.
What's holding? Nothing.
What are you trying to figure out?
Nothing. Just the taillight wire is kind of.
That's where it goes on this one.
Yep.
Just kind of goes there. You want some duct tape?
No, I'm good.
We can duct tape it down. All right, we're 2 for 2 for getting ready for the Wild Bill 20. All right, so this is our potential lineup for the Wild Bill 20 friendly trail ride through the woods. You've seen a full build on, well, you've seen most of a build on the Skedaddler, full build on Lonnie's Colt, full build on the Snowjet on this channel. That one way predates the channel. The Skedaddler does too, but you know, we did swap the motor over and stuff, which we showed you. So anyways, which sleds go and who rides what is going to depend on whether it's a woods race or whether it's a pond race. If it's a pond race, likely I will be on that Colt, and that's because that's got studs and carbides. Maybe we'll pull something special off the shelf for the pond race. I don't know. These other three, they don't have studs, so pond racing is pretty questionable on those. Probably wouldn't do it. If it's a woods race, well, I'm going to drive the Skedaddler here. We're going to put Tommy on the Snowjet because it's faster and Tommy's faster. So that's a good combination. And then Dennis would probably ride the Colt here with the studs and stuff, and Lonnie would ride Lonnie's own sled for sure. So there's that. We don't know how it's going to shake out yet, and we likely won't know until the last minute. So with that said, I want to say a huge thanks to the patrons. Really appreciate all of you. Appreciate your support of the channel. For those who don't know, I run my channel membership off-site on a site and an app called Patreon. And for $5 or $10 a month, you can support the channel, and you'll get to see all the videos early and ad-free over there. And you get some patron-only videos and maybe some patron-only opportunities like the patron ride. So that's a pretty good deal, and we really appreciate your support. I've been meeting a lot of patrons, more and more patrons. Of course, there are more and more patrons. Met a couple yesterday at the Rice Creek Trails Association show at EJ's Bar in East Bethel. That was pretty cool. So nice to meet you guys. Also, a big thanks to everybody that sent us a super thanks or a PayPal donation or anything to the P.O. Box. We appreciate all of you, and anybody that's handed us cash at an event, or Joe's Fox Hut Pizza for giving in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, for those awesome pizzas. So we appreciate all that. And with that said, we'll see you on the trails.